Hello friends, in our previous lecture we have understood the concept of CSS selectors and also we have seen how we can use it and what are the ways of using selectors to incorporate styles. In that we have also seen children selectors, sibling selectors, and we have also seen the examples except one, that is children selector. I have explained you the difference between this div p and div greater than p, but I didn't show you the example. I really personally feel that I should show you the example which shows the difference between these two child selectors. So let me delete all of these styles first because it's already a mess. Okay, so now let's add an ID of me to this div, and after the second p let's include a div, and inside this div we will have two more paragraphs, and let's write here I am 3. Let's copy it, paste it, and write here I am 4. Now let's save it. So what we have done is, so first we have a div with an ID of me. Inside that we have two paragraphs and a div. One paragraph with an ID of 1, another with an ID of 2, and the div which is having two more paragraphs. Now how we can understand the difference between those two child selectors? So let me first show you a style, that is div p, which is the normal selector, right? So let's provide a color red. Let's save it and take a look here. So this one is selecting all the paragraphs that are inside div. So it's selecting all the paragraphs. Now just copy it and paste it, and instead of space just provide greater than sign. So div greater than p, let's make color green. Now save it. Now you will notice all of these paragraphs which are red will become green, and I will explain why. Let's refresh. See, now these are green. Now why green? See, this paragraph's parent is this div and this paragraph's parent is this div. So all of these paragraphs have a parent div, and that's why it is changing its color to green. Now here's the trick. That's why I have included an ID to the first div. So let's add here ID. In our previous lecture we have seen that you can select an ID using hash symbol. So hash me. So div hash me p, and again div hash me greater than p. So what it is doing at first? First, this div hash me p, it's changing all the text colors of the paragraphs which are inside div to red. So initially all of these colors will be red, and when this style is added, this div hash me greater than p, its color will become green. So it will select only those paragraphs for which the parent is div, not the grandparent, and with an ID of me. So what it is doing, it is searching for those paragraphs for which it has a div parent which has an ID of me, and then it will change its text colors to green. Now let me hit refresh, and you will notice that this I am 1 and I am 2 colors are green and these two are red. Let's refresh. Okay, I didn't save this, sorry. Now let's hit refresh. See, I am 1, I am 2 are green because these are the first level children. That's why this selector is selecting only these two, and this one was selecting all of these. But since it is mentioned after this style, hence it is incorporating this one also. But if you have mentioned this one before this child selector, you will not notice this change. So that's it, friends. I hope that you have understood the concept, and if you have any problem, feel free to convey. I'll be there to help you. So that's it, friends. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.